Welcome you all to this class. So today we'll be looking at set. Okay, when we talk about set, we mean the collection of objects or things. So we can have a set of mathematical instruments, set of whole numbers, set of mathematics textbook. Sets are usually represented using this symbol. And to name a set, we use capital letter. For instance, let A be equals to what? A set of whole numbers between 2 and 10. Okay, how do we call it? We say A is a set of whole numbers between 2 and 10. So that's what we call elements of a set. Elements of a set. The elements of a set are the things that belong to that particular set, or we can call them the members of that particular set. And we use this symbol to represent is a member. Okay, is a member, and this symbol to represent is not a member. Okay, is not a member. For instance, let A be a set of number from 1 to 5. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And let B be a set of number from 6 to 10. So we have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here, since 2 is contained in set A, we can say that we can write it as 2 is a member of what? Set A. Okay, and here from set B, since 12 is not contained in set B, so we have it that 12 is not a member of what? Set B. Okay, so another thing we want to look at is the number of elements in a set. Number of elements in a set. The number of elements in a set, for instance, let A be equals to a set of number from 1 to 5. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The number of elements in this set, written as the number of elements in set A, is equals to what? We count the number of elements contained in what? Set A, which is what? How many elements do we have here? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have is equals to 5. Okay. Now let's take another example. If B is a set of alphabets, let's say from A to F, we have A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, and you are required to find the number of elements in set B. This will give us what? The number of elements in set B is equals to, so we count. How many elements do we have here? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's equals to what? 6. Okay, so note, I want you to note that when elements are repeated, we count them as what? 1. For instance, let C be equals to a set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, let P be equals to this set. Okay, so here you can see that some of the elements are repeated. So those repeated elements, we count them as what? As 1. So here we have 1. Since this 2 is repeated, we count it as what? 1. Okay, we'll take just one of it. 4 is repeated, we'll take just one of it. And so let's count. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the number of elements in set P is equals to what? 6. Okay, so that is all about the number of elements in a set. Our next topic will be on subset. So please make sure you subscribe to this channel and you share this video. Thank you.